IShowSpeed first made a name for himself as a gaming YouTuber and was quickly recognized for his live streams. Though Speed rose to fame following the pandemic, he registered his YouTube channel in 2016, where it was inactive for 2 years until Speed uploaded his first video, which was an NBA 2K18 shoot-around clip. The same year, owing to the popularity of Fortnite, Speed tried his hand at the game and tried doing a live stream, which did not find a lot of success. Disheartened by this slow start, Speed decided to put his YouTube career on hold and focus on school and playing football for the next couple of years. Soon, Speed started diversifying his content and played Fortnite and Five Nights at Freddy's, which made his content more live stream centric. In less than a year, Speed managed to amass over 1 million subscribers in June 2021, making him one of the fastest growing YouTubers in the world. He became even more popular following his virality on social media apps like TikTok, where his fanbase started uploading snippets of his live streams, which became viral in their own right. Following his success, Speed subsequently moved to Los Angeles with popular Twitch streamer Aiden Ross, and his appearances in Ross's streams helped him gain even more subscribers. Currently, Speed seems to be focusing on his music career, having released his debut album, which features a lot of the music videos on his channel, with most of them being viewed over 10 million times. Social media stats. IShowSpeed, an internet sensation whose presence spans across multiple platforms, commands an impressive digital empire with an enormous following. With over 25 million subscribers on YouTube, 23.1 million followers on TikTok, and a staggering 16 million followers on Instagram, his influence is undeniable in the realm of online content creation. His YouTube channel serves as a central hub for his diverse content, attracting millions of viewers with gaming videos, vlogs, challenges, and more. With a subscriber base exceeding 25 million, IShowSpeed's YouTube presence alone places him among the elite creators on the platform. TikTok, the platform renowned for its short-form videos, has provided IShowSpeed with another avenue to showcase his creativity and entertain his audience. Boasting over 23 million followers, his content on TikTok is concise yet captivating, offering quick bursts of entertainment that resonate with a vast audience. On Instagram, IShowSpeed's following continues to grow steadily, with 16 million users eagerly consuming his posts, stories, and updates. Through captivating visuals and engaging captions, he maintains a strong connection with his followers, offering them glimpses into his life beyond the videos. IShowSpeed's omnipresence across these platforms not only solidifies his status as a social media heavyweight, but also underscores his versatility as a content creator. Whether it's through long-form YouTube videos, bite-sized TikTok clips, or curated Instagram posts, he consistently captivates millions with his infectious personality and entertaining content. So how much is IShowSpeed's net worth in 2024? According to Celebrity Net Worth, IShowSpeed's net worth as of 2024 is estimated to be around the $10 to $12 million mark. He also reacts to this statement on his live stream.
Yo, what is IShowSpeed net worth? And chat, I'll tell y'all if it's true or not. Chat, and I'll tell y'all if it's true, I promise you. How much does IShowSpeed earn per year? Based on an average of 3 to 7 per IShowSpeed uses over that's not giving me a net worth. Let me just put this. Popular gaming YouTuber, Twitch streamer. IShowSpeed bought millions for $12 million. So chat, they think $12 million is my net worth. It depends, like chat. So chat, do you want to count stuff that the money that I didn't get yet, but I have it, or money that I have now? Let me know. Let me know. Because if y'all counting money that I have but I didn't get yet, yes, okay. Well, I'm not about to say anything. You feel what I'm saying? I don't. Not bad, buddy. I'm not about to just tell y'all, like, you feel me? Like, chat. Like, I'm not about to tell y'all. You're never supposed to tell somebody how much money you have.
How did IShowSpeed make his money? Speed's primary avenues of income are from his live streams, YouTube, brand collaborations, and social media, which include TikTok and Instagram. IShowSpeed's sources of income: YouTube. Speed makes most of his net worth valuation from his YouTube channels and their subsequent revenue from AdSense. Apart from that, Speed earns a decent amount from sponsorships, as well as any tips and donations he may receive from his viewers while live streaming. Speed has stated, depending on the duration of his streams, he can earn anywhere between $75 to $200 per upload. Social Blade reports, IShowSpeed earns an estimated $16,000 every month on average through revenue via AdSense. Net Worth Spot estimates IShowSpeed earns an estimated $1 million per year from his channel's AdSense, factoring that he averages well over 15 million views a month and well over 800,000 views a day. Based on the average amount of $3 to $7 that is paid per 1,000 views, the IShowSpeed YouTube channel can generate over $80K a month and over $1 to $3 million a year in ad revenue. Other sources state Speed earns an average of somewhere near $2 to $4 million each year from YouTube alone. TikTok. On TikTok, IShowSpeed's massive following could translate into substantial earnings, potentially reaching up to $15,000 per post. Unlike YouTube, where creators earn revenue through ad placements determined by Google, TikTok currently doesn't compensate users for ad space on their content. Consequently, TikTok influencers like IShowSpeed directly negotiate with brands for collaborations, leading to varying rates based on individual agreements. Despite the absence of set rates, estimates suggest that top-tier influencers like IShowSpeed can command significant sums for sponsored content. With his immense popularity and engaged audience, brands recognize the value of partnering with him to reach their target demographics, making each TikTok post a lucrative opportunity for both IShowSpeed and potential brand partners. Brand collaborations. IShowSpeed's massive following across various platforms positions him as a prime candidate for brand collaborations and promotional opportunities. With his established presence and engagement with millions of fans, brands undoubtedly recognize the value of partnering with him to reach their target audience effectively. Having aligned himself with numerous top internet brands in the past, IShowSpeed has demonstrated his ability to leverage his influence to promote products authentically and drive meaningful results for advertisers. While the exact figure for his promotional content charges remains undisclosed, it's safe to assume that his rates command a significant sum. Given his extensive reach and impact, brands would likely be willing to invest heavily in collaborations with IShowSpeed to tap into his vast audience and leverage his credibility within the online community. IShowSpeed's expenses. IShowSpeed's recent Instagram posts featuring a blue Lamborghini Urus offer a glimpse into his taste for luxury and high-performance vehicles. With the 2024 valuation of the car starting at upwards of $230,000, it's evident that he enjoys indulging in top-tier automotive experiences. While details about his expenses regarding real estate or other assets remain scarce, his investment portfolio reportedly includes ventures into NFTs, automobiles, and various other interests. This diversification suggests a strategic approach to wealth management, leveraging his success in the digital realm to explore opportunities in tangible assets and emerging markets. As he continues to captivate millions with his online presence, his penchant for luxury vehicles serves as a visible symbol of his success and entrepreneurial spirit, while his broader investment strategy underscores a savvy approach to securing his financial future. That's all for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.